Good afternoon, parents. Just a refresher from chapter 1 on our place values. So we have in fourth grade, we will go all the way up to millions. We are working with the students to remember to put their commas in the correct places. Each place that you are going to put a comma is going to be called a period. So we have the thousands period, and we have the hundreds period, and then over here we would have millions. Oops, writing the wrong one. All right. The cool thing about these is that each place value to the to the left is going to be 10 times greater. So if I took 1 and I multiplied it times 10, then it's going to be 10. If I take that 10 and multiply it times 10, my 1 moves over to the hundreds place value. So what we're looking at here is called the powers of 10. That each place value to the left is going to be 10 times greater than the one to the right, the smaller one to the right. So that means also that if we were going multiple place values, we went 1, 2, and 3, that would be 1,000 times greater. So the way that we have worked on this in the classroom is that we are comparing two different numbers. We're looking at the value of, say, this 4 and 4,593 versus this 4 and 43. And the way we're looking at this is we're going to move from this 4 and make one jump for each place value. We're always going to write a giant 1 on the outside because we're always going to start as a power of 10. And we're going to put a 0 in each of those spaces. So this 4 in 4,593 is 100 times greater than the 4 in 43. So it also goes the other way. Instead of just being 10 times greater, if we are moving to a lesser place value, it is going to be 1/10 of the value of the other one. So for example, if I moved from the hundreds to the tens, anything in the tens would be 1/10 of anything in the hundreds place value.